Hello everyone, I'm Kunal Sodhani from Global Trading Center, Shinhan Bank, India, and we are here with another episode of Understanding Rupee Dynamics, Global Macro Trends, Domestic Factors, and Impact on Several Currency Pairs as well. First, talking about the FPI flows, that is domestic factors, we have seen the flows to be of the tune of around maybe 81,000 crores for the month of Jan till date. And if we only talk about the month of April, it's probably a stagnation phase where around 2,000 crores of inflows in equity, while around 200 crores into debt. So a flattish approach when it comes to April flows. But on the other hand, if we talk about the FX reserves, we are at all-time high of around $649 billion, which is a healthy sign when it comes to the import cover, where we are having an import cover of around 11 and a half months now. And also this emanation helps us to curtail volatility, if any, or any kind of sharp depreciation seen in rupee. So RBI action possibly can be seen because we have enough reserves at this point in time. If we talk about global factors, understanding the Fed first, the policy members have been a bit hawkish. Also, the data points, US CPI data, PPI data, as well as the retail sales are all lying towards, the rate cut trajectory may not be as aggressive as expected. Even the speech of Jerome Powell was clearly stating that inflation control is still remaining a focus, and one-off figures may not be the right criteria to have an aggressive kind of rate cuts. So, if we talk about the CME Fed Watch tool, the expectation of rate cut now straight away goes to July and September months, which was pertaining to June earlier. So that's a shift due to which dollar index did rally towards 105.60 levels. And then we started with the geopolitical issues, which is the Iran-Iraq conflict, which led to a further spike into the dollar index towards 106.43 levels. Though we cooled off because now currently we may be around 105.80 once again. The reason being the geopolitical issues are silent at this point in time, but yes, you never know when there is a flash again, and we can see a risk of sentiment once again. So at this point in time, it's silent, and thus some kind of retracement is seen in the dollar index towards 105.80. Even Brent crude prices did cool off from around $92 per barrel to $87 per barrel at this point in time, because as I said, it's cool off. Another factor to consider is the dollar CNH pair trading around 7.24 levels. It needs to be under consideration. For dollar rupee, we are seeing levels of around 83.50. And the highs which were made in November 2023 was around 83.47 three quarter, which definitely have been broken with a closing of 83.53 seen in the last trading session. So from here on, we expect 83.20 to act as a very important support area, while NDF levels have tested around 83.72 in the past. And we anticipate that these levels may be retested on the onshore market now. So immediate resistance may come around 83.72, and only a close above those levels in case if we see, then we may see levels of around 84 also. But then it's important to go level by level. For exporters, forward premiums are still a problem because it's at around 1.6%, 1 year annualized premium. So there's not much leeway for carry traders again, and so the selling pressure has not been seen that sharp. And it's consolidating once again in a narrow range. But overall, as we said, 83.20 to act as a very important support, 83.72 acting as a first immediate resistance, followed by 84 only in case if we're able to see a close above 83.72. So that's all from my side, friends. Only one more thing which we want to highlight is the euro is equally important to watch, because there's a divergence which has been seen between the Fed, who's being hawkish, and ECB, who's being dovish, and talking about even a June rate cut. So this trajectory has to be more, understood, because euro dollar has been moving left towards 1.0650 levels. A bit of bounce have been seen, but I don't know how much sustainable is it. So it's important to track this divergence also. Yes, so that's all from my side, friend. Wishing you all a very, very happy trading session ahead. Thank you.